Okay, so we are going to write the word problems, but the good news is the word problems are just like inequality symbols. Or I'm sorry, just like the equation word problems that we did from the previous lesson. Remember, for us in this class, all word problems are and problems. Just remember, all word problems are and problems. So let's go ahead and jump into a question here. If you look at number 7, it says a cereal box is supposed to weigh 13.8 ounces. That's the regular amount. But its acceptable weight can vary as much as by 0.1 ounces. Write and solve an inequality to find the range of acceptable weights. Again, just like our previous lesson, it's going to have a setup like this. Also remember, in big, bold, red letters, it's always an and statement. And inequalities are always open towards the answer. So, put your varies amount, and let's go ahead and drop in our regular amount of 13.8. So that's how you write your word problems. Let me go ahead and write the next word problem for you. So for this problem, we're talking about a slab of marble. It can weigh 3,400 pounds plus or minus 100 pounds. Write and solve an absolute value inequality for the possible weights of this slab of marble. Again, always this setup. Your inequality symbol is always open towards the answer. So we know a slab of marble's regular base weight is just 3,400. And it can vary by as much as 100 pounds. So that's how we're going to set up those word problems. Okay, guys, I tried to keep this brief. If you need to go back and watch anything, please click on the other videos. This is your exit. This is how you're going to get credit for your notes. For this one, you're going to have to isolate the absolute value bars first before you determine if it's an and or an or. So I'm going to help you go ahead and isolate these absolute value bars. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. And then, of course, divide everything by a 2. So nothing got weird, like our sign is still pointed in the same direction. Remember, the sign is open towards the answer. This is an and problem. So if you need help on how to solve that, look back at the other video. This is due for you to get credit on your notes. Little tip on how to get started.